My breakfast bread is made in the frying pan without flour, with gluten-free, super easy to make and very delicious. So let's start with 3 eggs in a bowl. Let's mix everything very well. Enjoy this moment to tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. It is diet, okay? Mix everything again. Put a good pinch of salt. 50 grams of Parmesan cheese or mozzarella, it will depend on you, what you prefer. A cup of cornmeal. Guys, seriously, this recipe is amazing, very simple to make. It's practically done and you won't use flour. Here I also added half a tablespoon of baking powder, the one we use for cakes, okay? Our batter now is totally done. Now in a frying pan, we are going to brush some butter on it, okay? And now let's pour our batter on it, okay guys? We are going to make like a big pancake like that. Spread it for all over the corners of the frying pan. It has to be medium to big, okay, the size of it. Then just turn it around. I used a plate to help me see how easy it is. If your frying pan is good, you won't suffer in this process because it won't stick. Just take the plate, turn it around and put it again in the frying pan to fry on the other side. And our bread is totally done, guys. It is super crunchy on the outside and very fluffy and smooth on the inside. Without flour and gluten-free, to really fit in your diet. It's healthier. You can make this recipe healthier if you take out the oil when you're going to put it on the frying pan. Also taking out the salt, okay? So you can let it even more healthier, guys. Put a healthier cheese as well. And look at it, guys. It's amazing. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. With some butter, guys, and a cup of coffee, there's nothing better than that. This recipe is also very good for those who can't eat flour, okay? So it's a very good option and you're gonna love it. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us.